Hi there, thanks for joining. This is Delaney, and I'm going to show you how to use Fieldwire for common owner and property manager workflows.
All right, so we're going to kick things off with document control. Right now, I'm sure a lot of you have your building's floor plans rolled up somewhere in a closet, or maybe you have half a dozen flash drives floating around your office that each contain the various as-builts from past tenant fit-outs. Fieldwire can help you create a single source of truth, all cloud-based, so that your entire team can access the most up-to-date information from anywhere. All right, so we're switching into Fieldwire, as you can see. Here we are inside my example properties Fieldwire environment. For those of you who are new to Fieldwire, you'll notice that we have our left side bar navigation over here. This is where you're going to be able to hop in and out of different modules throughout our platform. Today, we'll primarily be in the Plans, Tasks, and Forms module. When you first create a project on Fieldwire, you'll be prompted to add plans. You can also do this at any point by clicking the plus new plans button. Uploading is as simple as dropping the files in here, but we also offer several two-way syncing options to help integrate into your existing file management system. Once plans are in Fieldwire, we're going to be doing all the processing for you. So when you upload your plans, we're going to automatically name the sheet as seen here. We're going to be using our optical character recognition scanner, if necessary, on these title blocks so that we name it correctly. The second thing we're going to do for processing is we're actually going to add in automatic hyperlinks. So if you have details and callouts, we'll actually find that plan within the Fieldwire database and we're going to link it for you. This is going to allow you to easily navigate back and forth between your set of drawings. The third thing that we're going to do for you is we're going to slip sheet older versions of drawings. So if you do have new floor plans for new tenants, as you upload those plans into Fieldwire, we'll be able to slip sheet the new on top of the old, and then the old will get this handy watermark. This is going to ensure that your building engineers and yourself are working off of the most up-to-date set of drawings. In addition to helping your team store all relevant information in one place, we also offer various markup and measurement tools. So you'll see over here on this toolbar, we got a lot of handy different tools. These are really handy if you need to, record actual as-built measurements on the plan for record, or we also have this hyperlink function. This could allow you to, say, hyperlink a warranty file onto the floor plan to make it really accessible for your whole team to find. For important building documents that are not plans, you can upload and manage those in the Files section. And like everything in Fieldwire, your plans and files will be available on web as well as offline on your mobile device, be it an iPad or an Android phone. So now I'm switching to my iPad. You can actually see this is the view directly from my iPad. You can see it looks very similar to what we saw in the web browser. And so you can actually easily click into these plans, view all your drawings, and your toolbar is going to be available offline as well. So you can go walking around the building with a tenant or a contractor and easily pull out your phone to help reference these locations of plumbing or mechanical equipment. It's all going to be at your fingertips.
That was the general overview for how to use Fieldwire for document control. Please feel free to reach out to the Fieldwire team if you have any questions or need any assistance. Thanks for joining.